Hey guys, and welcome back to the showroom. My name is Sam from Sam's Diecast Showroom. Today we have a 2021 Matchbox to open up. I believe it's 2021, I didn't look it up, but it's the 32 Ford Coupe in red, number 8 of 100. I got this on my Dollar General literally yesterday, and I just really liked it, so I just wanted to get it open. And you can see it says 32 Ford Coupe Model B, and P38 is the base code, so this was manufactured very late 2021, so this is probably a 2021 release. Since I didn't see it in any of the 2022 case unboxings, I'm pretty sure this is 2021, but I'll put in the title what the correct year is, but I'm like 95% sure this is 2021. And there's the toy number, 8 of 100, this is from Matchbox Highway. As you can see from the card art, 2021 copyright, which is the same copyright. And this is red color. And I might want to like pick at that corner there and like kind of tear that like that. And boom. Nice easy open. I can just peel that right off and save the card. Pretty cool, pretty cool. I love this car. Couldn't wait to get it open as soon as I brought it home. I'm like, hey, this is a really nice car. 32 Ford Coupe Model B. And this has a nice enamel red color. All that is metal, and it's actually a little bit heavier than I thought it was going to be. I'm just going to zoom in on that. I can't zoom in. It's not going to let me. Okay, well, whatever. This is just a nice car. I love this. This has the chrome base and 2020 copyright on it. I believe this came out in one version before, but like I said, didn't have internet, so I wasn't able to search this car up. And I love how shiny the chrome base is. I really like it a lot. And I love the wheels. I'm not sure what kind of wheels these are on the back, but they're very unique, and I've never seen them before, I don't think. The front wheels are ring disc wheels, I know that much. And it's only chromed out in the middle part of that. There's the front, the grille, the lights, black grille, like the detail on that, and same deal on the other side. You have some tampos right here. Not sure if you can quite see that. Maybe if I like, nope. My camera's being kind of dumb. Anyways, this car is very cool. Oh no, it's got a paint chip in the back. Oh my. I'll live, I think. Nice cherry red color on this, and it does not look the same off camera, but still quite cool. No window in the back, just an imprint of one. Interior, I think, is black interior and a chrome base. Thank you for tuning in and watching this video. Please subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.